So now I want to go over stepping stones along your journey to purpose. What we do for a living is empower people to go after their dreams and reach their potential. Every day we tell people that they can have, be, or do anything that their heart desires. But the problem is that many people desire things only because they see other people with them. They go for dreams because other people would view it as success. But the truth is that we don't just want people to live other people's dreams or go for their heart desires. We want them to become who they truly are and to go for the dreams that they are authentically theirs. And when they do this, they're living their life purpose. So the purpose of this workshop is to find within the story of your life the missing pieces of your true story, the one in which you're the hero who turns tragedy into triumph and overcomes the odds. The story that reflects the truth of who you really, truly are. You may not be able to change what happened in the past, but you can change the way you look at your past and change the story you tell about it. Everything might not be even perfect, but everything that has unfolded has provided you with the lessons, the ability, the tools, and the desire you need in order to live your destiny. So, along the purpose journey, we'll be putting together the 6 key pieces that will reveal your life purpose. We refer to them as the stepping stones of purpose. So just like stepping stones across a river creates a path to get you where you want to go, you will see that these elements from your life all align and line up to carry you to where you've always been heading. The first stepping stone that we're going to take a look at is childhood, where you'll examine your childhood influences and the roles you learn to play on the stage of life. The second stepping stone is personality, where you'll explore your natural inclinations, temperament, and preferences to help identify for what you're best suited. The third stepping stone is passion, where you'll explore what you have been passionate about, both as a child and as an adult, as well as how to find your passion by developing your interests. And the fourth stepping stone is talents, where you'll explore your natural gifts as well as the skills you've acquired over your lifetime that have uniquely prepared you to really reach your potential and really live your dreams. The fifth stepping stone is your life path, where you reflect on your life-changing experiences and meaningful coincidence that brought you to the right where you need to be. The sixth stepping stone is belief, where you'll banish limiting beliefs and remove any final obstacles from your path. So throughout the workshop, we'll be putting all 6 of these elements together to tell a story of your purpose quest. Then after you explored every area, you'll complete your journey by revealing your life purpose that everything has been leading you to. And finally, you'll rewrite your life story, including writing the next chapter and creating a vision of you're fulfilling your destiny and reaching your dreams and your goals and living a life of purpose. So let's get started.